give me your wallet. Don't worry, it's just me. Scared you though, didn't I? Nobody wants to have their stuff stolen, and scumbags are everywhere. But not all thieves are sweaty reprobates, hiding behind the bins with names like Me Mental Stevie. More UK households experience cyber theft than physical theft, and that's why I'm here to put a stop to it. I'm Old Man Murphy, the Bruce Lee of cybersecurity. Oh. And in this self-defense lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can protect yourselves against physical and cyber thieves. This is because the 54 member states of the Commonwealth, Danny Dyer and the Pope have written and signed an agreement registering my hands as weapons of mass destruction. You have been warned. Okay, this first move is called the backup. When it comes to protecting your data, you should always start by backing it up to an external device. This way, if anything gets damaged or stolen, you've still got your data. However, when it comes to protecting myself on the mean streets, I never call for backup. I am the backup. Start spinning your arms in a windmill-type motion with such dizzying speed, your attacker thinks he's fighting 50 blokes. F***ing hell. It's like pre-season f***ing training. This one is called the block. Make sure you switch on your firewall to create a buffer zone between your network and the internet. Or as I like to call it, the kill zone. Next, make sure you install and use antivirus on all your devices, but only install approved software. Use the automatic update option wherever possible to make sure that your software and firmware are patched and kept up to date. However, when it comes to creating a barrier between you and a physical attacker, nothing works better than the Madman Murphy block and chop. Hold up your arms in an X shape to absorb the initial blow. Then counter with a karate chop to the throat. Your personal space just became the kill zone. You're welcome. This third and final technique is called the Murphy Bob and Weave. This is to teach you how to dodge phishing attacks like a cyber Mike Tyson. Ensure you and your staff don't browse the web or check emails from an account with administrator privileges. Always keep an eye out for emails from accounts disguising themselves as people you know. Dodgy email addresses, spelling mistakes, or low-quality company logos are all dead giveaways. And finally, if your staff do end up being scammed from their work accounts, don't punish them for it. This can discourage people from reporting it in the future. Reserve your wrath for the hackers, not your staff. However, if you find yourself being attacked by a gang of hooded fishermen outside the pub, the best thing you can do is duck, dodge, and disorientate before throwing back some meat hooks of your own. Ross Kemp, more like soft wimp. Vinnie Jones, more like skinny bones. Danny Dyer, more like Fanny Cryer. Hopefully, you're all now trained as black belts in the art of cyber self-defense. And the next would-be thief you encounter, you can fold like an origami swan. Just remember these words the next time you feel under threat. If you step up to the master, you'll end in plaster.